got my shop so full of junk now. I don't even hardly walk in there. I ain't done anything out there in that shop. I got about $700, $800 worth of cherry lumber out there in that shop. Stacked on top of itself.